voices loud in the world, where it seems still absolute silence, just to listen to yourself. I myself don't live far from the street, ambulance and police with siren every day. It gets annoying in the long run. I could stop here, just moving doesn't help much easier. Country change is happening. There it is, a rooster that screams. The combine is not far easier. Loud noises everywhere. Where are there still places of absolute calm? Okay, church, there is something about it, but I mean noiselessness. Even without hearing his pulse, he sets a chord, death, or can I hear the hereafter? Kind of funny, our world. There have been noises signs to Big Bang Boom. Well, I'm still looking, I need the silence to relax every time, just to wash away the stress, refresh and recharge your soul. Everyone needs rest, even when sleeping, to protect things from everyday life. I'm going to